Oh no, I've literally just been playing the Nickelodeon game in Roblox, and I did. Oh my god, how am I supposed? So I was just playing in the Nickelodeon game in Roblox, and I might have broke the game Roblox. Why are you like this? I don't even know what I'm playing right now. King Jelly Storm. Okay. What is this? What do I do? Don't know what to do. What do I do? Ah! Help! Help! I don't know what I'm doing. I'm. Oh! Oh! There it is. What do I do? Oh! Oh! Wait, what? Oh, I see. So, do I need to kill them? Where is it? Where are they going up? Is this a target? What? The thing? Oh! I fixed my camera, so. This is the effect for ground slamming 100 times, guys. This is what I get for ground slamming that much. Did I really do that much though? The only thing I did was just literally slide myself my way to the actual like I was playing the slime war, and I was just minding my own business, and I was just sliding everywhere with the Q button you can see on the side of the screen. I was just literally pressing that. Oh, I won? What? You know what? This game is weird.